Mighty S13 is going to go to a new home. Got a few things on next year, just drifting's out of the budget. Just thought we'd make the most of it, get the car out of here so I don't get tempted to drive again. And we're going to build something up pretty cool in future. So after the last event, had an incident with the wall. So I got some of the RHS bar, just going to whack it in the rear end, make it look a bit pretty, bolt the lights up, ready for the new owner to pretty much turn key and take it to the track and see him having a thrash of it. So yeah, we're just going to go down and have a look, see what else we might have to do to it just to get it perfect for him. I wanted to just be able to jump into this thing and just fry sets. So yeah. So yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen this. Pretty sure we've posted it before, have we? Yeah, so I still don't know. I watched the video a few times. Ridley's fast as fuck, and me being me, I was trying to keep up with him, I think, but just made a meal of it. The whole day was fucking shit. Everything went wrong. Everything's fixed now, bar this. So just gonna see if we can pretty it up. Obviously, if we were to keep the car, we're gonna do a rear quarter chop. You know, top hoop, rear bash bar, make it all really, I don't know, really fucking strong. But yeah, he wants to take it how it is, but just thought I'll give him a head start and put a little RHS rear end up, just because it is so flimsy. I mean, yeah, it's not the strongest, so I'll just put a bar under here, across the back and returning in, just so we can bolt the rear tail lights up for him. And whack a boot on and he's pretty right to go. So just get some measurements and stuff, and don't know if we'll cut it today. I'm kind of running out of time, but we'll get to that later. So I managed to find one of the old ones with the janky welds. Right, we'll definitely do them a bit better. So I'm just gonna cut them the same size as last time because it worked. And then, yeah, weld them in just under here for no other reason than just to have somewhere to pick up the lights. So weld them in here somewhere, get the measurement to here, weld in the top bar, and then I think I've still got the mounts for the lights that I made up. So just weld them on, bolt the lights on, whack a boot, ready to go. I'm behind the camera now. Tell me, what is this junk on my trailer?
I don't really know.
Ryan thought it was easy to build S13s.
I didn't say it was easy. I said I can't afford to buy one.
So he thought, it's cheaper, I'll build one.
Just bit by bit.
It's completely bare. But
coilovers though, so that's a start.
yeah, we're going to head down
Front
to...
subframe.
Yeah, true.
I've organised a rear subframe.
We've got the old fuel cell out of the Drift S13 that we're going to whack in there. We're going to head down to Osaka probably today, maybe not sure. See what other bits we can get. Obviously, yeah, main priority is just to try and get this thing rolling, but yeah, good little project for Ryan. We're going to do a tube front end on it. Yeah. What engine are you going to go?
I don't know. So I was thinking about putting a Barrett in it. Now I know nothing about anything, so but apparently they're really tall. Everyone tells me. And I learnt what a K-frame was this morning. Apparently same thing as a subframe. So I don't know. Whatever I can afford, man. So not much.
Look at him pondering on what he's got no idea about.
Yeah, there's definitely some room for some things to go in here.
Yeah, like a steering column or seats.
What do we have?
I've been to 5 fucking Kmarts to find a ping-pong table. This isn't $1,000.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check this.
$5.99.
Okay.
Yeah. You have them out the back. They're ready to go.
My listener using it to film a fucking podcast. Trying to hustle it down. Price of bats.
Bronze of bats.
Fucking spent $500 on ping pong table.
No luck, Josh.
Why is it so hard to buy a ping pong table?
It's not $600.
Just a cheeky upsell. I bet you there's like 10 out the back. And
10 where?
I bet you there's like 10 out the back, and I've called her bluff. I'm leaving now. Kind of glad, because I didn't really want to spend that much money on a fucking ping pong.
Rattle can spec.
Oh, over the windows too.
And the badge in the front.
Oh my god. Gotta love Cranbourne. Alright. It probably is. Rip. So sad. It's gonna be so sad pulling all the fruit off. Catch me crying. Oh, but you gotta do it, you gotta do it.
It's alright, mate. Cheapest prices are just the beginning.
Shut up! Far out. We're off to a really good start. Nah, we got just want to move the shelves a bit easier, take it off the trailer, take it off the hoist. So with some little caster wheels, hopefully they hold up. Push the shelves around, make it a bit easier. So probably just drop to us welding. Just a FYI, I don't really know how to weld. I've kind of half taught myself. So don't judge. If you want to come and teach me, come and teach me. I would be more than keen to learn. I mean, last time I used this thing, it took me about 2 hours to realise that the bottle was out of gas. So yeah, it's about my level. Where is that thing? So unfortunately, the S13 has been sold. Got a few things in the pipelines of what we're getting next. But just going to take a little bit of time off drifting, focus really hard on Tuff Streeters. Me and Rory are going to pilot the 31 wagon together, so we'll see that out very soon. But yeah, the S13, my first drift car, is going. We're going to take the livery off for the new owner and fix up the rear end quickly for him. And yeah, then we'll go take it to him and hopefully go watch him shred this thing. I've never actually seen this thing on the track without me behind it or in it, so it'll be a bit surreal. Yeah. You can just put that song like, goodbye my lover, goodbye my friend.
You have been the one, you have been the one for me. Goodbye my lover, goodbye my friend.
You fucking dog. I was fucking nailing that.